Today we're making some beautiful dishes, guys. Lentil with some coconut milk. This lentil is off the hook, guys. With some Homestyle stew chicken and some real coleslaw. Guys, you don't want to meet this one. This is epic.
Str8yaad, big up myself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay, guys, welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today we're gonna cook something special. We're gonna cook something different, guys. Okay, it's a request, so I'm gonna show you guys how to cook. Every day, you know, we cook rice, flour, and all these things. I always cook this by myself and eat it, guys. It's a very thing with a lot of protein. Okay, for all the vegans and all the vegetarians, this is something you guys need to try. Okay, so we're gonna cook some lentil today, guys. Okay, it's very nice and healthy, so stay tuned and watch the video, guys. And all your comment, remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel to grow. I know a lot of you guys are watching the channel and not subscribing, guys. Please help me to subscribe to the channel and help it to grow, guys. One love, Str8yaad TV. So we're going to the kitchen now. We're gonna cook some lentil, guys. Okay, so okay, guys, so we have some green lentil here. You have a lot of different type of lentil, guys. You have the green, you have the red, you have the black, and you have the orange. So you have 4 different type of lentil. Okay, and all of them basically the same. Okay, so we're gonna cook some lentil today, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this bag right away. We're gonna wash off the lentil. Best way to cook lentil, guys, is to soak it overnight. But some of them you don't have to soak it. Like this green one, you don't need no soaking. So I'm gonna measure out 2 cups. I'm gonna use 2 cups, guys. That's 1 cup. It's 2 cups. Alright, so we're gonna do 2 cups of lentil today, guys. So okay, guys, we're gonna do 2 cups of lentil today. So what we're gonna do now is wash the lentil. You gotta wash the lentil before you even start cook it, okay? So what I'm doing, put the lentil in some cold water and I'm gonna wash him off. Wash him out, you understand? Put him in a strainer and strain him out. So there is nothing there, okay? Let me throw off this first water first. And I'm gonna put him in the strainer, wash him in the strainer. All right. Good, you don't need to strain. You can wash it in the strainer if you want, but I don't need to strain it because nothing float up. I'll give it 2 wash already and nothing float up, so it's good. All right. So right now, we have a pot on the fire here, empty. All I'm gonna do is put in like about 5 cups of water, guys. You can use 6 cups if you want, to be precise, okay? But I'm using 5 cups, 2.5 cups each, okay? Some cold water. 1 cup, turn on the stove. Two cups. And guys, I have a thing here I'm gonna add to mine because I'm gonna cook mine different. So I'm measuring out my coconut milk that I have. I'm gonna add some coconut milk. So basically I have a cup of coconut milk here. Some I already spill out. So I have a cup of coconut milk there. So I'm gonna add like, say, 4 cups of water and 1 cup of coconut milk, okay? To the lentil, guys. Cause you know lentil take a lot of water, you know, guys. Lentil take time to cook. It's easy to cook, but it take a lot of water. So right now I have 4 cups of water in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the lentil to it, guys. I'm just showing you guys how to cook lentil, okay? Because I can cook lentil in a lot of different ways, guys. I could make curry lentil. I could make vegetable lentil. I could make a lot of different type of lentil, guys. So I'm just showing you the basic way to cook lentil, okay? And it's very healthy, so stay tuned and watch the video, guys. I'm gonna add some stuff to it, okay? Okay, you know we like season up with things, you know. We like flavor up with things. I like me say me cook it in a different type of ways, guys. Cause I could even get some oil in the pan, sauce the pan, get all my season burning it, then add the water, then add the lentil. Okay? It's called it seasoning up. Season up the water for flavor. So all I'm doing is put a piece of garlic, a little piece of onion in it, just for cooking, just for flavor. I'm gonna add 3 small bay leaves in it, just for flavor, guys, okay? You don't have to add it if you don't want it. You just could put it plain water and salt, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna let that go start boiling before I put the salt, guys. I'm not gonna put the salt right away. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. And remember, this is an easy thing to cook. Just watch the video, do it like me. Good result. One Str8yaad TV. Okay, guys, so you know lentil is something, when it starts to cook, it will show you a different color. And you will know when it starts to cook and it starts to form. It's almost like split peas to me. Lentil is almost something like split peas, okay? So we're gonna cook the split peas for you guys and show you what's going on. You can cook this split peas, you can cook the lentil in all different type of way, guys. All depends on what you want to do with the lentil or your intentions or how you're going to use the lentil, okay? You can cook it different way, you can season it up all kind of way you want it, you can set it different way. If you're going to make soup with it or stew or whatever, it all depends, okay? So I'm just showing you the basic way to cook lentil today. And if you need me to cook lentil a different type of way like curry lentil and all these things, guys, drop it in the comment section and I'll cook a lot of different lentils for you guys, okay? So stay tuned. One Str8yaad TV, and remember, lentil is very good, guys. Stay tuned. And this lentil is, like I say, it's not hard to cook, guys. It's very easy to cook. This takes like 15 to 20 minutes, okay, to cook. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going. So, okay, my beautiful people, look at it now. It start to boil, okay? Start to boil. You can see the changes. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna add my cup of coconut milk that I have here. Because I'm making mine nice, just like rice and peas. Making it nice, guys. Flavor. Okay? Give it a 1 star. Yeah. See? That's what we're talking about. So now I'm gonna cover it up back. Let the fire do some work. Keep it on medium high. And that's it. Okay? So stay tuned, guys, and watch the video. Thumbs up the video. One Str8yaad TV. Okay, my people. Look at it now. See? Nice and beautiful, see? Let me test it, see how far it there. Coming on. Okay, it's coming on. So what I'm gonna do now, add my salt for taste and my black pepper. And I'm not gonna use a lot of ingredients in this one. Like I say, you guys can put whatever you wanna put in it. And it cooks in a lot of different ways. I'm just basically showing you how to cook lentil, guys, because it's something easy. Okay, put a little black pepper in it. Put a little oregano in it. So I'm just seasoning him up now, my peeps. Season him up the way I want him, okay? All these seasons are optional. You don't have to use them if you don't want it to, guys, okay? You can just use salt only in it if you want. You don't have to put coconut milk like I do. You can just use straight water and salt, okay? All depends on how you want to use it. I'm just showing you the basic way to cook it. It's just for flavor. Okay, so I'm just cutting up some fresh basil in it. Fresh. I like my things taste nice, you know, guys. With a lot of flavor. So I'm seasoning up the way I want it. Like I say, you don't have to put all these things in yours. You could just cook it natural. All depends on how you want it. Okay. Go ahead and cut up 2 more pieces of garlic now. Good. All right. Touch back a little piece of onion in it. Also, just for flavor and seasoning, guys. I like my things taste nice when I'm eating it. Okay. See it there? Soon ready, you know, guys. Soon ready. So you see I'm seasoning him up now. Okay. Let me taste for salt. Tastes nice with the fresh basil. The flavor is there. Just need a little bit more salt, guys. This thing take long to come out. I hardly like it. I like have the real. I'm gonna buy the next salt that you don't have to grind too much. You know what I mean? This take long to come out. Grind. Alright, but we're working with it same way. We always do. Okay. This tastes nice already, you know, guys. The flavor is right. Yeah. That is what we're talking about. So, I'll cook it down some more, people. As soon as the 15 to 20 minutes time come, and the water dry down where we want it, and it cook perfectly, we done cook. I'm gonna show you what's going on, guys. So stay tuned. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. Always subscribe to the channel once you're watching, guys. Like up the video, share out the video. You know we're always in the kitchen cooking, guys. So you're always gonna get something from us. Okay, so you know you have a good channel watching. So any type of cooking you want me to cook, just drop it in the comments, guys. I'll read them. One love, Str8yaad TV. Guys, look at it. Couple more minutes and we're done. See? Pretty and nice. That is it. Tell a lentil is not hard to cook, guys. I've got this request to show her how lentil cook, so I'm just giving the basic way to cook lentil. Okay? I could do it in a lot of different way, guys. A lot of different way. So just giving the basic way. Because when you're cooking lentil, it all depends on your intention, the way you want to use lentil, okay? And how you're gonna use it. Because you can use it in all different type of shape. Form. In the plate. In the pot, okay? You can do stew, you can do curry, you can do soup, you can do a lot of different things with lentil, okay, my peeps? So stay tuned, watch the video. Str8yaad TV, always telling you the real thing, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video then. Share and like, subscribe to the channel. Guys, you see this? This is what we're talking about, see there? See all the water pulling from it already? Look, ain't no water inside of it, guys. See that? That's how you cook lentil. I'm gonna steam him out a little bit now, and then we're done. We done. Look, guys, see the amount of water we're putting in? Look, you see no water packing up there? Look, you see that? You see that? That's how you cook lentil, okay? Just steam him out a little bit no more. A little bit. Steam him out a little bit more, and then we're done. Okay, my pips. You gotta stay tuned and watch when we are digging at this for you, you know, cause this now go normal, you know, my people. I didn't tell ya, it's so nice and delicious, my people. Rice have nothing on this, guys. Trust me, rice have nothing on this. I know it's sweet. Wow. No, you can't see flavor them bust up tonight, boy. All them seasonings them put in the water. People, This lentil is so sweet that you can't eat by itself. You don't need nothing with it. But I'm gonna eat something with it, so I have to stay tuned and watch them. I'm going to eat with it later, because it's gonna be so nice. Guys, I'm gonna turn off the stove now. We finish cook. Okay? We finished. Lentil is perfect. Lentil is ready. So we gotta turn off fire now, my people. Let me show you lentil again. See it now? Perfect. Not saggy. See? So you drop off a fork. Yeah. So you have to deal with lentil. See there? That's what we are talking about. Okay? That is it. Lentil is perfect, my people. So we'll turn him off. And we'll get him plated. And make you guys see the end result of what's going on, okay? Because this is no joke. This is something nice and healthy. Better than rice. Alright? So stay tuned and keep watching the video. So, okay, my people. Lentil finish. Like I tell you, lentil finish. Okay? Go ahead and share out some lentil now, my peeps. See that? Nice lentil, okay? Lentil will fall out of place, people. Okay, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, my lovely people, this is what I'm gonna eat today with the lentil, guys. Here is the lentil, perfectly ready, and I have some nice home-style chicken here, guys, Sunday day style. A nice little coleslaw. No rice and peas today, guys. Lentil doing it today, okay? This is my Sunday dinner. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna dig in it for you. I know it nice. The lentil are full of flavor, people. Yo. Especially with the Homestyle chicken, your boy. Man, this is a kind of flavor. Trust me, let me try a little coleslaw with it. Because the rice and peas have nothing over this, trust me. Guys, this is something you can eat by itself, guys. I'm telling you. I cook it all the time. I tell you, I have 4 different types of lentil out there. Okay? And I'm telling you, this lentil is so nice, guys. You can eat it just by itself. You can make salad with it. I don't need meat. But I'm eating my Sunday dinner today, guys. My Sunday dinner. Lentil with some stewed chicken. Home style. And some coleslaw, guys. Wow. This is what we're talking about, guys. Flavor on top of flavor. Str8yaad TV, guys. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel to grow. Str8yaad TV. We're always bringing something new to you guys. Do it the same way, good result. One love, Str8yaad TV. Out.